Thank you, Thomas. Now we move to the intersection of engineering and oncology. Imagine being able to 3D print human-like tissue to test cancer drugs more accurately than ever before. This is the future of personalized medicine and is being built right here on the coast. Please welcome the founder and CEO of VoxCell, Dr. Karolina Valente.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Do you remember the last time you took a pill or a medication? Well, we call them drugs. So just so you can think about that path to take a drug from the idea all the way to the market, to the point where you can buy, that takes a long time, and that drug is tested multiple times. What VoxCell is doing is shrinking that path to the market and accelerating the drug development process, allowing therapies to hit you sooner. And we do that by using bioprinting technology. So we 3D print human tissues. And that's right, it's a little piece of tissue that looks just like your body and contains real cancer cells, real healthy cells, blood vessels, and also the immune system. And the idea is quite simple. Can we inject the drugs directly through these blood vessels and see how the drugs are moving from the blood vessels into the disease area? And on top of de-risking these drugs earlier on, we also want to see these drugs failing in our platform instead of failing in people. And why does that matter? Well, the drug development process, it doesn't work. It has been like this for many, many decades. You test on a dish, then you test on an animal, and you hope it works in people. And we are trying to change that, and we are providing a platform that gives you human information, that provides human biology. And that's exactly what VoxCell is doing. And to be quite honest, there has never been a better time to be investing on a technology like ours and to be working in this area. The global regulatory is changing. The way that drugs are being tested is changing. We see that animal models are not effective, and on top of that, we need to find alternatives. So right now, we see that pharmaceutical companies and contract research organizations, based on the FDA guidance that you see there, need to find alternatives to animal models, and VoxCell is ready to support them. Let's take a look on our tissues. As you can see, they're beautiful blood vessels, real human cells. And our answer is basically three main questions that we are aiming to answer. Is your drug safe? Is your drug working, or is it just killing the cancer, but perhaps also killing the healthy cells? And the third one, can we provide that translation into what is going to happen in humans? And this is how we create these tissue models. So these tissue models are 3D printed in our own bioprinter and created by me and my amazing team. And to give you an idea of the resolution, that is the pixel size of our printer, which we call VoxCell, that pixel size is 200 times smaller than one strand of your hair. So that's what gives us the ability to create a very complex blood vessel network. So I want to take a deep dive into how our tissues look like inside of our plates. So what you see is this beautiful blood vessel network together with these cancer spheroids. And we are doing that in a very simplistic platform, so all of us can use this. And the idea is quite simple. Inject the drug into these tissues. The drugs are going to move through the blood vessels, just like in your arm, just like as an injection. And whatever is moving from the blood vessel into the disease area, that is real biology. What VoxCell is providing is the platform for biology to happen. And everything else that is happening there, we are tracking in different ways and informing the drug developers about the effect of that drug. And of course, because we want to make sure that we can make a real impact with this technology, we are also thinking about increasing the throughput. What is very important is, one of the things that we want to make sure is that we catch those failures earlier on, many, many, many years earlier before being tested in people during clinical trials. So these are two drugs that actually failed in clinical trial due to toxicity, and one of them has actually comes on the box due to vascular toxicity. And we showed that failure in our platform many, many, many years earlier on. So what VoxCell is offering is this platform to provide better data and earlier decisions. And we are doing that across different types of tissues and many different therapeutic modalities. And to continue growing this company, we are raising a Series A, and our goal is to build a sustainable company that will allow us to enter in the personalized space, with the vision to not just empower drug developers in which drugs are best and should be moving the pipeline, but also empower doctors and physicians in what drugs are best for their patients. It takes a village to get to where we are. This company is 6 years old, and I'm proud to be building this company here in Canada with an amazing group of people. And to give you an idea, this is Canada's first high-resolution bioprint, and this technology was all developed by us in here. And I'm also quite proud to say that VoxCell is women-led, and we are 50% women and 50% immigrant, and I take a lot of pride on this. And our goal is quite simple. We want to accelerate the drug development process, allowing therapies to hit the market sooner into the hands of who need them. And we are going to be doing that one tissue at a time. Thank you so much.